The Princess Inspire Hotel is an adults-only hotel that has 3 pools to its name, and it's in just the right spot for beaches, bars and restaurants. This hotel, formerly known as the Bahia Princess, is in a great spot, with shops, bars and restaurants on its doorstep. There are a couple of beaches less than 5 minutes walk away, and upmarket Playa del Duque is close by, too. With a main pool and 2 splash pools, and a 4th pool in the spa asterisk, there are plenty of places to cool off here. Food-wise, you've got 2 restaurants to try, and a lineup of 4 bars are on hand for cocktails, coffees, ice creams and snacks. Due to health and safety reasons, mobility scooters aren't allowed in the hotel. You'll be able to park your mobility scooter in a designated area outside the main entrance of the hotel. If you have a blue badge, we'd recommend you take it on holiday with you. Manual and electric wheelchairs are fine to use inside and out. The hotel has a gym, as well as a spa and a beauty center. Hairdressing, manicure and pedicure services are available in the latter, while the spa comes with a Turkish bath and sauna, plus 3 indoor massage cabins. At this fabulous luxury hotel you have a choice of luxury rooms and suites including wheelchair-adapted rooms. We are able to supply clients with an access-able audit report about the hotel. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and comment and subscribe to our channel. At Wheelie Good Travel Company we can help you escape. Check out wheeliegoodtravelcompany.com.